How to move files from Google Drive to the files on your iPhone. So the very first thing we need to do is just go and load up the App Store on your phone, and using the search box we need to go and search for the word Drive, and then just make sure you have this app installed, which is Google Drive Online Backup. Now once you've installed this, you can go and open up the app like so. Now make sure you're signed into your Google account, and then you should see all of the files that you have uploaded to Google Drive. Now I'm going to show you how you can download these and save them onto your phone, and I'll show you how to do this with files and also media like pictures and videos as well. So all you need to do is click on the three horizontal dots next to the file that you want to download. You can then press the download button, and that will begin downloading onto your device. Now if you've downloaded something like a picture or a video, then this is automatically going to be saved to your camera gallery. If you want to move this over to your files, you can click on the share icon in the bottom left hand side. You can then scroll down the page here and click on the option for save to files, and then you can just press save in the top right hand side. Now if you go and open back up your Google Drive, if you're trying to download a file onto your phone such as a Word document, then once again we can click on the three horizontal dots. You can press on download, and then you'll need to select save to files. You can then press save, and now this will automatically be saved over to your files. So if you come back to your home screen, you can open up files. You can then click on the arrow in the top left hand side and make sure you select on my iPhone. Now at the very top of this page you can see the document that we just downloaded onto our phone, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.